This is my new action camera DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and today I am going to unbox my vlog combo for you. Wow, it's a small camera, but it is very powerful and weighs only 146 gram. With this combo, we get some accessories as well as the multifunctional charging handle. So we get here a C2C USB cable, the cover for the camera, and some booklets. So in this box we have a screw to mount the charging handle. We have got the battery and the case. This is the magnetic mount and the anti-slip grip. Now we are going to check my multifunctional charging handle. So this is the charging protector. The charging handle integrates camera control, magnetic quick release, articulated adjustment, 3.5 mm audio adapter, and 1x4 inch thread hole for the functional expansion. So actually it eliminates the need for multiple accessories and meets various creative needs simultaneously. It is very compact and lightweight and easy to carry and grip.
This is not an extendable gimbal.
However, we can use it as a tripod. The charging handle is equipped with 4900 mAh battery, which provides around 7 hours of battery life for the camera.
The vlog combo also comes with the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. There are other manuals with this box as well. It comes with a fancy bag where you can store your small USB cables as well as the mic. This is a nice pouch where you get another cable.
Microphone muffler and the mic. For this mic, you do not require any separate transmitter. If you liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the instant notification whenever I upload my video on my channel.